Booking a library group study room. Students can book rooms in the LGS for 1 hour per day. To book, first navigate to the library pages on the website. Select LGS room bookings on the left-hand menu. Make sure the room can accommodate your group. There are restrictions on the number of people in each room. Select the date you'd like to book from the calendar. Rooms are bookable during the week from 8 AM to 5 PM. Outside these times and during holidays, rooms are provided on a first-come, first-served basis. Select your preferred room and time. An additional reminder about student numbers will be provided. Click Continue if the chosen room is suitable to your needs. Fill out your details, including a valid student email. Room bookings will be cancelled without a student email address and MySIS number. You'll receive an email confirmation of your booking. Make sure you're at the room at the designed times. Bookings are for only an hour with a 15-minute grace period.